Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today, our topic is types of synthetic fibers. So, first I discuss the fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural and artificial. The fiber are made by human beings, that is man-made, is called synthetics. If fiber is made by human, a man made by human, that is say to synthetics, and it is if when naturally obtained, that is natural. A synthetic fiber is also a chain of a small unit. A synthetic fiber is also a chain, this type of chain, also a chain, of a small units joined together. Synthetic fiber also is joined chain of a small types units joined together. Each small units combine to form each small unit combine together to form a large single unit is called a polymer. To form a large single unit is called a polymer. Poly means many, and mer means unit, single. That is a small unit are combined together, that is say to polymers. Polymer is made of many repeating a small unit. Many a small unit are repeating together, that is polymer. Next, types of synthetic fiber. Such types of synthetic fiber, that is rayon and nylon, and another is polyester and acrylic. So first today I discuss the rayon and nylon. The rayon, first in previous classes study the silkworm through find silk mouth like to, that is the cocoon to form silk thread, that is natural source through find out that of silk, that is natural process, and man-made through find out, that is the nylon 6. It is the revolution of in 19th century, that is find out the nylon. So first I discuss the rayon. Property of silk obtained by same chemical treatment of wood pulp. It is before a study silk born through silk moth through silk thread are find out, and the next is that types of that is the find out the term of rayon. Scientists are discovered the first is silk is formed in the China through the silk mouth, and next the similar types of the fibers are find out the scientists in 19th century, that is the rayon. It is the find out the plant wood pulp through the develop the rayon. It is the chemical treatment of wood and pulp process to find the rayon. That property is silk property, just like silk formed by the silk mouse, that is the form of rayon by the wood pulp in chemical treatment. Through the chemical treatment, find out the rayon. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. This fiber rayon is find out the wood pulp, that is say to artificial silk. Silk as they begin find the silk in the through the cocoon and silk moth, that is form the silk thread, and rayon is find out the wood and pulp by chemically. That process is said to artificial silk, that is xanthite. Rayon is obtained from natural source. Wood pulp, it is man-made. Wood pulp naturally find out and chemically chemical are mixed through, that is man-made by the, that is the generate the rayon. Rayon man-made, that is the man-made fiber. It is dyed in wide variety of color. Dye different types of thread are prepared of rayon. It is mixed with cotton and wool. It is mixed with cotton and wool and different types of cloth and different types of instruments are formed through the rayon. Next, another thing is nylon. Nylon is polished. Nylon, it is man-made fiber. It is man-made fiber. It is said to nylon 6. It is the revolution in 19th century. That is pure man-made object, that is nylon 6. In 1931, that fiber is fully man-made fiber. It is prepared from coal, water, air. It is first fully synthetic fiber. It is first fully synthetic fiber, nylon 6. Nylon fiber was a strong, elastic and lightweight. It is lightweighted, a strong, elastic, was luster and easy weight and easy wash. It is less weight, lightweight. It is made different types of objects like rope, socks, tents, toothbrush, car seat, etc. are different types of object are made by the nylon. That is the fully man-made synthetic fiber, that is nylon 6. It is lightweighted. So both rayon are find out from wood pulp, and that is fully man-made. Nylon 6, it is from coal, water and air through find out the nylon 6. Okay, thank you.